Maybe we did something, okay? Hey y'all, it's Jaila, aka JaiChanellie on the internet. Today, we're about to transform this wig, okay? This is my old birthday wig that I went ahead and transformed on camera. If you did not see that video, I will link it above. But we're gonna transform it again, okay? We're gonna keep transforming it. So today I plan to bleach this hair and dye this hair a beautiful ginger color. If you wanna see this whole process, go ahead and keep on watching this video. I will link where I got this wig from in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. If you're wondering why it looks like this, it's because I did flexi rods on this hair for my birthday, which was back in March, and then I literally just threw this wig in a bag and have not touched it since. Let's go ahead and start mixing up our bleach so we can start applying it to my hair. By the way, if you're feeling my hairstyle, I already have a video on this hairstyle. I will link it above just in case you want to check that out. Let's go ahead and bleach some hair, okay? All right, y'all, so today is the day that we finally apply this wig that we've been working on for the past couple days. I can't wait for y'all to see it, but first I'm gonna go ahead and lay my edges down. We are gonna go ahead and put on our wig cap and then apply this wig. Okay, y'all, bear with me. I'm about to show y'all how this wig came out. Jesus. This the wig, y'all. This is the wig. Let me remind you that this is supposed to be a kinky straight wig. Show me a kink. The bleach completely killed any kink that this hair may have once had, y'all. Like, legit, you can see there's some kink left in the very back. The front, kinky, never knew her. That's a whole nother conversation. Now that I've gotten pictures of this atrocity, we're gonna go ahead and try to fix it up. So first thing I need to do is find my part. Small parting space before you just hit tracks. Track, 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 track. Let me try to comb this out a little bit. So just so y'all know, this wig is supposed to be a kinky straight 22 inch. This is what it's looking like. as far as the length and everything goes. Let me know what y'all think about the color. The wig is the wig, okay? We can't really do anything about that, but we are gonna try to make it look as decent as it possibly can. So right now, I think I'm gonna take some spritz and just spritz this part to my head. I usually use spritz. I'm not a glue girl, never been a glue girl, never even really been a got to be glue girl. What to do about these sides though? All right, y'all, so I have crustily attached this wig to my head. And I literally have spritz all over my face. So I'm just wipe that off with a little bit of witch hazel. We're gonna deal with this hair later. So right now I am gonna put on my scarf, and then we'll come back and actually get to the styling portion and trying to not look a mess, basically. That's really what we're going for here, is to not look a hot mess. I'll be back. Okay, y'all, so we are back with a full face of makeup on. As you can see, this is giving me a headache, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. So now it's the moment of truth, y'all. Now we gotta actually make it look good. We definitely went overboard with the spritz. I am gonna slightly wet this just in the front to see if I can take away some of that cast. Right now, what I think I'm gonna do is make sure that this at least hugs my head a little better than it's currently doing. And the way that I'm gonna do that is by going in with this wax stick. So this is the wax stick that I'm gonna go in and use. I got this from my local beauty supply store. And then we are going to go in with a hot comb to make sure that it lays down flat to my head, okay? I just grabbed this Tresemme heat protectant real quick. It's supposed to be hot. This not giving what it's supposed to have gave. That sound you're hearing is the spritz. That is the sound of being dyed, fried, and laid to the side. Hi friends, don't know if you can tell, but there was an attempt made to flatten out the top of this head. So I think I'm gonna go in and just straighten it first. And then I'm probably gonna go back through it and add some curls, because this needs something going. It doesn't have enough body yaddy yaddy, you know? So I got my flat iron, let's see if it's hot. Simba, please stop, bro. Let's just see what it would look like if we did a wand curl. Just letting it cool down. Okay, wand curls it is. What's my mama's? Ouch. Definitely just burnt myself. This is the final look. Did we transform it or not? It's not really giving messy to me anymore. You know, it's giving, she looks somewhat presentable. She looks like she can walk out of the house like this. So we took this kinky straight wig from a 1B black color. We lifted it, deposited some Adore color on top of it, and then we styled the heck out of it because it was not given, and now it's kind of given. Let me know what you think of the final results in the comment section below. I'm very interested to hear your thoughts. I hope y'all were typing as we were going because it was getting real hectic. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button. I have plenty of wig videos for you, so I'll go ahead and link those, but make sure you also like this video so YouTube knows to share it with other people. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.